Hola, Casey. Here is your second group of structures for the week of April 20th through the 24th. Okay? So our first one is going to be the expression, I want that he or she talk to me. Okay? So I want that is quiero que. Then the he or she is actually going to be a person, okay, in your questions. And then talk to me is me hable, okay? Now, we have learned in the past habla, okay? But when we go into that subjunctive voice, we have to do a little spelling change, okay? So we're going to change from habla to hable, okay? So the expression again is quiero que me hable, right? The next one with a soothing voice is con voz suave. Okay, so suave can mean soft or smooth or soothing in this case. Okay, so con voz suave. And then the last one, she or he took a wrong turn, is se equivocó de camino. Okay? Se equivocó de camino. So se equivocó by itself tends to mean he or she got it wrong. Okay, or he or she made a mistake, okay? And you know, I'm assuming you've heard the word camino before. I think we've had it as a structure this year, okay? So de camino is talking about the path or the road or going in a certain direction, okay? So when we put that whole thing together, se equivocó de camino, what we're meaning in English is she or he took a wrong turn, okay? Don't get bogged down in word for word translation because you would be he or she got it wrong the road, okay? All right, so let's go through those one more quick time. Quiero que me hable con voz suave and se equivocó de camino, okay? And I didn't mention, but this is also the completed action. That's the present tense. Happened one time. We're going to pinpoint when it happened, okay? All right, so I will go through the examples of when you are going to be using the structure. And there are 3 of them here. And so let's do that. Okay, so your first ejemplo is, ¿Quieres que Brad Pitt te hable? Okay, so your answer is going to be either sí, quiero que Brad Pitt me hable, or no, no quiero que Brad Pitt me hable. Okay, so there are 3 situations to practice quiero que blank me hable. Okay, all right, the next part I'm saying this word, seleccione, okay, or select, suave o irritada para lo siguiente, okay? So suave, we know is soothing, right? And I think you can figure out what irritada would mean, okay? So I'm going to give you some situations, some different people and their voice, la voz. Okay, so you just need to select suave o irritada. Okay, and then the last part is working with se equivocó de camino. So the question is, se equivocó de camino Amelia Earhart. Okay, so this question, the answer is essentially going to be the same as it's worded in the question, okay? Because we're talking in the third person. There's no you form and then I form of the verb. It's all third person, so he or she, Okay, so my question was, se equivocó de camino Amelia Earhart. Okay, so your answer would be, for example, perhaps, sí, Amelia Earhart se equivocó de camino. Okay, or maybe you think, no, Amelia Earhart no se equivocó de camino. Okay, now Amelia Earhart is, a historic person. Okay, questions 8, 9, and 10 are going to be real people in your life. Okay, so I want you to remember, what do you do when you have tú in the question? Okay, tu papá, your dad. Okay, so your response is going to include mi papá, right? My dad. So just go ahead and go through those and give me your answer, and I will look forward to your submissions there, and I will say adios.